Alright guys, back here with another video. Today I'll be discussing the V17.4 update. Today we got a new Imposters game mode, Coral Castles being abducted, and a new exotic pulse rifle. So right now I'm going to show you the trailer for it, but see right there, Imposters. And I will be playing that tomorrow in a video, and I will be showing you the trailer right now for the Imposters. Here we go.
We've run things successfully for thousands of years. We, the imagined order, facing crisis after crisis, without a single failure. But since Jones betrayed us, now it's clear. He wasn't working alone.
Alright guys, so yeah, that was the trailer for Imposters. Now I'm in-game showing you Coral Castle. I'm so glad this POI has finally been destroyed. I hated it so much. We thought we were going to get an Aquaman boss and it was going to be called Atlantis, but it never wasn't, which is sad. So I'm glad it's now destroyed. So yeah, but that's just everything from this perspective. But now I'm going to show you the exact pulse rifle right now. So yeah, but yeah, I will do Imposters video tomorrow, do like Imposter and Agent gameplay, and yeah, maybe get my friends on it, see if we can do it together, you know, that'd be fun. So yeah, but yeah, yeah, it's just everything that I want to discuss. Let's see. Okay, I can't really do tomorrow. I'll do it Thursday because tomorrow is Mobile Wednesday. Okay, so here is the new exact pulse rifle. But yes, I will do it Thursday because I forgot tomorrow is Mobile Wednesday. And yeah, I'm almost done with my alien, by the way. I have to get the locker banner and then I'm done with it. Oh yeah, don't forget. So next week I will be doing a review on all Superman stuff because I want to get everything before, you know, the season ends, and I want to review it. I want to have everything, so I have it in one review video. So yeah, but yeah, that's just everything in the video today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I mean, I'm gonna not talk and I'll show you gameplay of the new exotic.